Hey everybody, Justin Sturgill here with Skinny Guy Campers. Welcome to Feature Friday, where we walk you around all of the great features of our Skinny Guy camper. So this week on our Feature Friday, we are going to talk about one of the greatest features and one of the most unique features of the Skinny Guy camper, which is the flushing toilet. We're going to go over how the toilet works and functions, and then also we're going to show you down below here where the macerator is at and how to operate the macerator properly so you can empty your black tank. Okay, inside this compartment, just inside the door, is the flushing toilet. You can flip this lid back. Make sure that the mattress is flipped back, and then inside here is the toilet. On the back side is the lever, and you can see when you lift up the lid and then you pull this, it actually flushes. There's water that comes down right inside the black tank. The black tank sits below inside what we call the basement, and this sits right over top of that black tank, allowing the water to flush right down inside of that black tank. When you receive your unit, inside of the toilet should be the owner's manual for the toilet and a little sample of the chemical that you would want to use inside of your black tank. Make sure you read through this thoroughly so that way you can figure out exactly what you need to do to operate the toilet and the chemical that you should be using for your black tank. After you're finished adventuring for the weekend and you're ready to dump your black tank, here is your procedures. You're going to take your hose, and you can use a regular garden hose fitting and hose. You're going to undo the brass cap on your macerator drain. You're going to screw the garden hose onto it. You're going to take this other end and put it into a toilet at home. You can put it into a pit toilet, an RV dump station. For this demonstration, however, we're just going to take the other end of the hose and we're just going to put it into a bucket. Okay, once your hose is placed in the appropriate container, in this case we are going to place it into our bucket, then you can pull the body waste termination valve here and then hit your macerator switch here. As you can see, all of the fluids from the black tank are going to run through the hose and into the bucket. Once all of that fluid is evacuated the black tank, you can turn off your macerator switch, push in the valve, and then remove your hose. And then I recommend cleaning your hose. Thanks for tuning in this week for this week's Feature Friday. We'll see you all next week.